This is the only marketing strategy right now that lets you borrow trust, hijack attention, drive sales immediately, and do it without a huge budget. You know what's wild? Most businesses still think influencer marketing is optional. They think that it's just TikTok teens and Instagram selfies. But here's the hard truth. You either have to adapt to this new way of marketing or your brand will simply be forgotten. Cut. Seriously, this isn't a trend anymore. It's a transformation, and it's been happening right in front of your eyes. Let me show you a few that actually got this right. Glossier started with micro influencers and peer referrals. Now, worth over $400 million. Get that. Dr. Squatch soap. You've heard of it. If not, you'll see their ads soon. Blew up with funny influencer style ads. An overnight sensation. Kind of like Pop Sockets did. Gymshark launched using fitness influencers. Multi-million-dollar brand today. And of course, last but not least, Feastables by MrBeast, a chocolate brand that simply didn't exist before, and now it sells out in mere hours. I have goosebumps just from talking about that, by the way. These didn't happen by accident. They were engineered through the new rules of attention. But here is where it gets even crazier. Influencers are the brands now. MrBeast isn't just working with companies, he's actually building them. How? Feastables, Beast Burgers, clothing lines. He's a walking distribution engine with tens of millions ready to buy at the drop of a notice. Why? Because they trust him. He doesn't need ads, he is the ad himself. This is the evolution of marketing. So if you're still debating on whether you need influencer marketing, let me make it real simple for you. This is the only marketing strategy right now that lets you borrow trust, hijack attention, drive sales immediately, and do it without a huge budget. In fact, the fastest growing billionaires today all have one thing in common. What is that? An influencer strategy baked into their business. That's right. Martha Stewart, George Foreman, Ryan Reynolds, Rihanna, and of course, MrBeast, to name a few. Different platforms, different industries, and of course, the same strategy. And it's not just mega celebs. Micro-influencers, people with 10,000 followers or less, are driving more conversions than big ads. You heard that right. Glossier built their empire off this. Small brands are using $5 TikTok videos to pull in $10,000 a month or more in revenue. One campaign, one gift box, one authentic review, and guess what? Everything changes. So now the question is this: are you going to keep running ads that nobody's watching, or finally use a strategy that your customers are already paying attention to and you're simply just injecting yourself into it? Now, in the next 30 seconds, I'm going to walk you through the 5 influencer campaign types that you can use right now in your small business. Number 1, product endorsements and reviews. Find niche-aligned influencers, send them your product, boom, instant trust. It's as simple as that. Number 2, authentic brand stories. You share your mission and let the influencers tell your story. Number 3, micro-influencer seeding. What is this? You partner with small creators, lower cost, higher trust. And number 4, giveaways and contests, my favorite. Team up for viral exposure. Now, rules drive the action. And number 5, affiliate influencer campaigns. We've talked about this before. You let them earn the commission and you let them sell for you. This isn't about catching a trend. It's about staying relevant in a world where attention is literally the most valuable currency. And you don't need $1 million budget. You just need a strategy that meets your customers where they already are, following the people they already trust. Influencer marketing is not optional anymore. It's your unfair advantage if you're willing to use it.